Topic is about microbiology topic. Today we will discuss about infectious agents. Let's start from the smallest infectious agent known till now are prions. Prions. Okay. Prions don't have RNA, don't have DNA. Okay, first main thing, they don't have RNA, don't have DNA. Bacteria have DNA, viruses have RNA, so we can understand that they replicate. But how prions replicate? These are infectious agents. How they cause infection? These are smallest infectious agents. When they reach into our central nervous system, in our neurons, they converts into billions and billions of prions. How will they form their copies and as they don't have RNA to replicate, don't have DNA to replicate, so question arises, how they produce copies or increase in number? When enters in our central nervous system. This is the main question. How? Okay, prions are in our body. There is a neuron. Let me structure of. This is a nephron. Okay. In our body, normally prion related proteins are produced in our cells. Prion related proteins are normally synthesized in our body. ठीक है, हमारी बॉडी में prion proteins ऑटोमेटिकली नेचुरली जो है ना सेल्स प्रोड्यूस करते हैं और सेल्स प्रोड्यूस दिस. सो these are normal proteins. Okay, this is cell, this is DNA. When this gene expressed for messenger RNA, which is converted into protein, this is prion protein. Okay, which is naturally forming in our cells, which is physiological, not pathological. Prions are infectious agents. Okay, they are pathological form of proteins. Okay, these are simply proteins particles. These don't have DNA, don't have RNA. These are just protein particles. Okay, this is alpha helical structure, normal structure. Let me show you here. Okay, this is a normal helical structure of prion protein, which is naturally formed by our cells. Okay, this is alpha helical arrangement of prion protein. This is not infectious. Okay, not pathological form. but the prions have protein having structure like this. This structure is called beta plated. Okay. In our cells, there are continuously forming normal proteins which are, after time passes, day by day, after time passes, their proteins denatured and they are destroyed by proteases. Okay, enzymes called proteases, proteolytic enzymes हैं, proteolytic enzymes. Proteins, proteo stands for proteins here, and lytic breakdown. For protein breakdown in our body cells, naturally there are proteolytic enzymes which are called proteases. Here are proteases enzymes. Okay, they are continuously catabolized and converted into new protein. This is called protein out cycle. Okay, which is repeating again and again. Proteases catabolize these proteins, and then there should be, the proteins in our body are forming, there should be proteolytic enzymes which should call proteases, which break down these or catabolize these. Okay, and after time passes, these proteins become denatured and destroyed by these proteases and then replaced by new. This is normal cycle of protein forming, metabolization, anabolize and or catabolization. Okay, so what happened? This is alpha helical structure where proteases only act or catabolize these alpha helical structure of proteins. Okay, when there are normal prion proteins which are formed by our cells, these are formed by our cells, prion proteins, all this. Okay, prion proteins. So these are breakdown by proteases. Okay, these are broken down, but when these beta plated proteases don't act or catabolize these beta plated form of protein, so these become pathological form or corrupted form, corrupted protein normally we can call. So beta plated proteins are not broken down by proteases. Okay, how they beta plated these prions proteins when these beta plated proteins enter in our comes here in our reach our central nervous system, they enters here in nephron. Okay, so how it replicates or converts it into many billion of copies, let's see. So what will happen when a corrupted protein or beta plated protein or protein of prions enters here, reaches in our central nervous system? How it cannot convert itself automatically into more copies or form its more copies because it do not have RNA and DNA. Okay, these are just simple protein particles whose proteins are unfolded, wrong folding of proteins, okay, of their proteins. beta plated form of protein. Normally they have coiled form, should be in coiled form or alpha helical. So these proteins enter here. What will they do? Here it is a normal, here is messenger RNA, here is a protein on attached on ribosome subunits, which then move to the endoplasmic reticulum, then Golgi apparatus for folding and most function, और अपनी शेप बनाने के लिए जिस फॉर्म में उन्होंने बनना है, फाइनल फोल्डिंग हो रही होती है. हेयर फोल्डिंग प्रोसेस ऑफ प्रोटीन्स आर टेकिंग प्लेस, विच इज़ कॉल्ड पोस्ट फॉर्मेशन ऑफ प्रोटीन्स. ओके, हो रही है प्रोटीन्स की फोल्डिंग हो रही है इधर, तो ये क्या करेगा, मिस फोल्डिंग हो जाएगी. इधर मिस फोल्डिंग हो जाएगी बिकॉज ऑफ प्रेजेंस ऑफ दिस. मिस फोल्डिंग की वजह से ये प्रोटीन कन्वर्ट हो जाएगी इनटू प्रियॉन. फिर क्या होगा, नॉर्मल प्रोटीन्स फिर से आएंगी इधर इतना, फिर उनकी मिस फोल्डिंग होगी, फिर ये भी ऐसी बन गई है, ये भी आगे मिस फोल्डिंग ऑफ प्रोटीन की वजह से सब बीटा प्लेटेड होती जा रही हैं. तो सारी प्रियॉन्स का नंबर क्या हो गया, बिलियंस ऑफ प्रियॉन्स बन जाएंगे. इसी तरह बनती जाएंगी कॉपीज नॉर्मल्स की. इसी तरह जब फोल्डिंग हो रही होगी एंडोप्लाज्मिक राइबोसोम्स पे ये अटैच्ड है नॉर्मल प्रोटीन्स. ये जो ही एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम और गोल्गी apparatus में इनकी फोल्डिंग हो रही होगी, सो these beta plated infectious prions related to prions protein. जो prions protein है ना, वो बीटा प्लेटेड है. So proteases cannot break down or act on beta plated protein, a form of protein. Okay, when protein is present in the form of beta plated, proteases cannot break down this, so they cannot metabolize, catalyzed in our cells. Those proteins which are beta plated and present extracellularly, proteases cannot break down those proteins. Those are called amyloids, and the disease caused or pathological form is called amyloidosis. Okay, and prions called infections called transmissible encephalospongiform encephalopathy. Listen about mad cow disease. A disease called mad cow disease. It is fatal. It disturbs the central nervous system and spinal cord of a cow. Then why? It's because of when it is in humans. How it is transmitted? When we eat meat, prions enter in our cells, reach to our central nervous system where they are beta plated, and in this way they convert themselves into. इसमें क्या होता है, अब मैड सिम्टम्स. ओके, इन ह्यूमंस muscle itching. Okay, so pathology, the diseases related to prions or prions related diseases. 1. Spongiform encephalopathy. encephalopathy, and second one is amyloidosis, which are, that is, proteases can't act on beta plated form of proteins. These beta plated proteins on which protease don't act and cannot break it into smaller pieces or digest it, destroy it, so those are called amyloid, and this process is called amyloidosis. So this is all about prions, which are smallest infectious agents. These don't have RNA and DNA. These are just simple protein particles having misfolded proteins. They should be in alpha helical structure, but they are present in beta plated form. Due to their beta plated arrangement, proteolytic enzymes, proteo means protein, lytic means breakdown, proteins break down enzymes which should be called proteases, which are present in our cells, which can break down the proteins, destroy these, as they have to be replaced by new proteins. Okay, in our body this protein cycle continuously takes place. So there are proteases, those enzymes which catalyze this breakdown or process. So beta plated proteins arrangement of proteins cannot be breakdown or destroyed by proteases, and this is called amyloid, and the process is known as amyloidosis. Okay, so this was all about prions. Thank you so much. I hope you understand.